All right, now let me put you in a position here. You're in the middle of a listing presentation. You're about halfway through the listing presentation, and all of a sudden you've given your best stuff and you've shown them all the things you can do, and then they pop the big question to you. Hey, this all sounds great, but what's your listing commission? What you'll find is a lot of times you're going to get some anxiety from that, right? No matter what you say, it's going to be too much. Are we going to lose the rapport that we've created? Am I going to have to go back and build more value? This is the number one reason real estate agents lose listing presentations and thus lose closings on an annual basis. If you get one more deal a month because you can answer this question correctly, the best answer, if you can answer this question correctly, you're going to get a lot more closings. And I'm going to show you, actually we're going to flip this over in just a second, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to say. So, a lot of times what we'll find is we'll keep talking and we'll talk about the company and we'll talk about our marketing and we'll talk about how long we've been in business and how much we know the area and here's some high gloss brochures and here's a website and we're on 500 different websites and this syndicates and we've got all these different buyers that are looking for homes and we're beating around the bush on price and commission. And the longer we talk, the more we feel that anxiety starting to build up. So I want to give you the best answer that you can start using, and check this out. I'll flip it to you and show it to you in just a minute, but you can see from some of the other videos that we've done, from some of the agents that I coach all around the country in our Greg Luther Inner Circle program, you can see on other videos where they've commented below, and here's what they said. Holy shit, I've never had anybody give me 7% before, and they offered me 7%. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it, I had somebody offer me 6.5%. I've always listed homes at 5%. See here, Greg, in my area, everybody lists at 5%, but these people actually offered me 6%. It happens all the time over and over because we have the best answer to give them. So let me give you your answer. Hey, this all sounds great. I love what you're doing here. What's your listing commission? How much are you going to charge me? Here's your answer. Whatever you'd like to pay. It's absolutely fine with me. We actually have what's called a menu of services where you can choose exactly what you'd like to do. So I was showing you some of the target marketing and some of that aggressive marketing we can do to get to the most opportune buyers. What we can do is, depending on where you guys stand as homeowners, we can offer you either our silver, gold, or platinum package. Now, let me show you a little bit about how that works. If you're looking for our silver package, we can do blank, 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 and blank. If you're looking at our gold package, because I know you were interested in the virtual tour and the drone and the dollhouse tour and the magazines we do, whatever it is that you do, well, we would give you everything from the silver package plus blank, 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 and blank. Don't worry about what it says, by the way, because this is not what you offer. You should include what it is that you offer. Those homeowners that are looking to definitely sell for top dollar and sell much faster, of course, they go with the Platinum program. They realize that cost is only a factor in the absence of value, and the only way they're going to sell their home for top dollar is if they get maximum exposure. So they're usually interested in that Platinum package. That gives you everything from silver and gold. All of this and all of this, plus blank, 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 and blank. Now, I know that's where it includes our staging service that I told you about and some of the other marketing. You'll fill in whatever it is. Now, what you'll do with your menu of services, I don't care what the commission is. It can be 5, 5.5, 6. It can be 6, 6.5, 7. You can charge 4, 5, 6. Whatever it is that you want to do, you can do that, but you want to give them options. And let me tell you why that is. Because most people identify with middle of the road or best. So as an example, if I go to the hardware store, and let's say, for instance, I need a cordless drill. I know they're going to have 3 different price ranges. They're going to have what they would consider good, better, and best. Well, I'm not buying the cheapie because I know that thing's going to fall apart when I open it up, and it probably doesn't have a 5-minute battery life. I'll get like 2 screws in and it's dead, right? So I'm not buying the $29 drill. Now I'm looking at $59 or $79. Well, this one has 2 battery packs. Do I need that? This one has extended warranty. Do I need that? I'm only deciding between middle of the road and the high road, the luxury or the better option. Good, better, best is really all we're looking at between better and best. So what you'll want to do when you're structuring your menu of services, and again, don't worry about this because some of this won't make sense to you and it's stuff that you don't offer and your brokerage does different stuff and all that. You can fill it in as you want, but you always want to use whatever you normally list homes at, you want to put that in the middle of the road. So if you say, Greg, I always get 6%. Okay, 6% is where you want to be for middle of the road. You can do a 5.5, which basically says we'll put you on MLS, right? Or you can do a premium option where you'll offer the staging and the professional photos and whatever it is you would do as a premium option. And you know what you're going to find? About 25% of the time, they will opt for that. Just give them options. They will ask for that. So now you don't have to be uncomfortable saying, well, we charge 7%. But I really like you, so I'm willing to go to 6%. You don't have to have that anxiety anymore. It's a menu. We'll charge whatever you'd like. Which is best for you? Let me show you what we can do here. You can choose anything off the menu. This is how you sell houses. This is why we have so many agents generating tremendous incomes. First of all, they get the listing. Don't you agree? That's first and foremost. With all of the discount brokerages that are out there, and we'll buy your house for cash, and we'll put you in the MLS for $900. I don't care if you make this 4%, they got you beat. Because they're willing to put it in the MLS and put a sign in the yard for $995. So you have to understand, there's always going to be cheap options, but what you'll find is less than 10% of the people you meet with will choose this option even when given that option, because they see there's a difference in realtors, what they do and what they charge. This is some of the stuff that we teach with Greg Luther Inner Circle. By the way, quick commercial break. If you are not generating a whole bunch of listings and a whole bunch of closings, if you're not generating buyers out the wazoo in this crazy hot market, you need to check out getfastclosings.com. There's about a 40-minute recording on there that'll show you offers you can use and how to get appointments before the sun goes down today. How you can use free marketing to get your business going. So I would encourage you, it's probably somewhere in the description here. Check out getfastclosings.com. That's plural, getfastclosings.com. You'll be able to see some details. We won't cover much on the menu of services, but we are going to show you, here's how you get sellers, here's how you get buyers, here's how you start from a shoestring budget to do totally free marketing to get yourself clients today. Meaning you can close those people in 30 to 45 days. So when you go back to the question of what's your listing commission, why are you using all the stuff we've always been taught of actually giving them a commission? Here's a better option for you. Whatever you want. We actually have a menu of services. You can choose what you'd like to pay because you're going to choose what you'd like to get, just like any menu that you look at, which is better for you. And what you'll find is you'll probably find 10%, I'd say 60% here and 30% here is what you're going to find. If you go on 10 appointments, 10 listing appointments that you get, you'll get 1, 6, 3. So there's an awful lot of extra money you're leaving on the table if you're not utilizing this approach. I want to show you how to do that, get you growing your business. If you're not familiar with me, check us out on YouTube and Facebook. Follow our page here. Like the video. Make sure you turn on notifications. We do this stuff every single day. Look at the literally hundreds of free videos available to you. Go back and look at some of the other videos we've done like this and see the agents and say, holy crap, I can't believe it. I got a 7% fee or I got a 7.5% fee. It continues to happen all over the country, even agents that just get started with us. You can find more information on me at gregluthercoaching.com, and I would definitely encourage you, when you have 40 minutes available, don't do it now unless you have 40 minutes to truly grow your real estate business. I want you to go to getfastclosings.com, register for that training, and I'm going to show you some case studies, some examples, some actual things you can do to get yourself a client today. I'm Greg Luther. Hopefully that's been helpful for you. Make sure you like the video and follow our page. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.